Open on a vibrant image of a kangaroo bounding across the Australian outback. Welcome to the world of the kangaroo, Australia's iconic marsupial. These unique creatures are more than just symbols of the land down under. They're a marvel of nature. Transition to a close-up of a kangaroo's powerful hind legs. Let's start with their most striking feature, those incredible legs. Kangaroos are built for speed. Their powerful hind legs and long muscular tails propel them across the landscape at astonishing speeds. Show footage of a kangaroo hopping and changing direction quickly. But it's not just about speed. Kangaroos are incredibly agile. They can leap over obstacles, change direction on a dime, and even box with their powerful hind legs. Transition to an image of a mother kangaroo with a joey in her pouch. Now, let's talk about their unique parenting style. Kangaroos are marsupials, meaning they have pouches where their young develop. Show a time-lapse of a joey growing inside the pouch. Narrator. After a very short pregnancy, the tiny joey, called a joey, crawls into its mother's pouch, where it continues to grow and develop. Show footage of a joey peeking out of the pouch. The joey remains in the pouch for several months, feeding on its mother's milk. Transition to a shot of a mob of kangaroos grazing. Kangaroos are social creatures. They live in groups called mobs. These mobs can vary in size, from just a few individuals to hundreds. Show footage of kangaroos grazing peacefully. They are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses and other plants. Transition to a shot of kangaroos drinking from a water hole. Water is crucial for their survival, especially in the arid Australian environment. Transition back to a wide shot of a kangaroo hopping across the landscape. The kangaroo is a truly remarkable animal, perfectly adapted to its environment. Its speed, agility, and unique parenting style make it one of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. So next time you see a kangaroo, take a moment to appreciate this amazing marsupial and its incredible way of life. Optional additions. Include some interesting facts about kangaroo anatomy, such as their large ears for hearing predators and their ability to hop on their tails for balance. But discuss the impact of human activity on kangaroo populations and conservation efforts.